Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play 4-player chess with friends on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page, and here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, I would like to show you how to play 4-player chess with friends on chess.com. And of course, if you want to do that, you can go to this left panel, click on play, or just hover play, then go to this 4 players and variants. And that should take us to this option directly. Of course, you can here read the general hints, the keyboard shortcuts, and other informations if you want. Click on X. Here, of course, you will have to choose whatever game mode you would like to play. As we said, we would like to play 4 chess players, so make sure to choose that. Of course, that's going to be the rules of that 4 chess player, so make sure to read them carefully. And once you are here, of course, and you would like to play with your friends, simply go to the top options and click on friends. If you have some friends, they will appear here, and you'll be able to invite them to play this 4 chess with each other. For me, as you can see, if I go to socials and friends, I'll not have any friends, so that's why there's no friends there. But for you, if you have your friends, you'll be able to invite them from here. Your friends will appear here, and you'll be able to invite them, then play together. So that's actually for this tutorial. Hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.